Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple and quick way of how to unstake your ShadowSwap. Okay, in one of the last videos I posted in this channel was how to buy ShadowSwap token and also how to stake it to earn more. So here I am in my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the video. This is it. Excuse me, let me highlight it. Okay, this is the video. So if you want to know how to buy a Shadows token, you simply watch this video. And also if you want to learn how to stake to earn more Shadow token, you can as well watch this video. Now let's go back to MetaMask. Okay, let's see what we have there. Okay guys, so here we are in our MetaMask wallet. As you can see, I do not have any shadow swap here. As you can see, my balance here is 0. Now let's quickly go to the browser section of this MetaMask. Okay, I'll simply click on this arrow here. Okay, the browser button. Then the shadow swap URL will open. Okay, now take a look at this. This at the search bar is shadowswap.xyz. Okay, so that is what you're going to type on your search bar. This is it, shadowswap.xyz. Then after that you click on the enter button. It will lead you to this page. Then when you come to this page, the first thing you have to do is to connect your wallet, and you do so by clicking on the connect button here. So when you click it, you select the different wallets. We have MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Wallet Connect. So we're going with the MetaMask. So I'll click on this MetaMask. Okay. Then now it has connected. Okay, it has connected. When you take a look at this, you see that this button has appeared, showing that is an indication that the wallet has been successfully connected. So what next you have to do is you click on N. Okay, click on N. Then when you click on N, you click on pools. Okay, so when you do that, the shadow pools will appear, okay, to leave you with this page. Okay, so you scroll down, then you click on this button. Excuse me, you click on this minus sign button. When you click on it, this option will appear. Then here you can select max if you want to unstake all. Okay, you can just click on max. This is it. So if you want to unstake 75% of the total amount you have staked, you can click on 75. If you want to unstake 50%, you click on 50. So, but if you want to see the total number of shadows you have staked, this is it here. This is the balance. So here I have 1.94 shadows. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll click on max. Okay, then I'll click on the confirm button. Okay, you give it some seconds to load up. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, we are trying to assign the transaction now. Now the transaction has been submitted. You hold on a bit. Yeah, the transaction has been submitted and it is done. Okay, now let us go back to, you can see the pop-up message, transaction completed. Now let us go back to our wallet. Let's go back to our wallet. So I'll just click on wallet to see. Remember, we used to have 0 shadows token here. Okay, but as you can see now, we have 1.9445 shadows. So guys, that is how to unstake your shadow. Okay, in case if you've staked. But if you do not know the steps to undertake while trying to stake your shadow, you can watch the last video I dropped in this channel. I'm going to also drop the link in the description so that you first of all you master the steps on how to stake before you unstake. Okay guys, and one of the importance of staking is as you stake you gain rewards. Okay, you earn rewards. Okay, but make sure for those who wish to unstake in less than 3 days, you must, after you have staked, you have to leave it for about 3 days. Okay, otherwise there will be charges. Okay, there will be charges. The number of shadows you stake will not be the number that you are going to unstake. That is, if your staking has not lasted for 3 days. So guys, if you have any question regarding this, you drop your question at the comment section and I will respond in due time. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, you click on the subscribe button to subscribe to get daily updates relating to Core and the cryptocurrencies that I've been building on Core blockchain. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.